A quick look at the restaurant menu editor. This menu here would look like this. I'm just going to refresh that page. So we've got a dinner menu followed by salads, sides, desserts, and there may be many more categories you want to enter. So first of all, in each menu, which is designated by this grey box, we have these items. They have a price, which can be have a little description in it. It doesn't have to be just a number. We can update each item and we can delete it. What's more, we can reorder it. So notice we've got the chicken at the top here and the 12-hour beef under that, and that's reflected here, chicken and then beef. So if I swap that over and grab the beef and put it at the top, I just click and drag it, and now I'll refresh this version of the menu. There you go, that change has been made. I'm going to put that back. Now I want to add some breads, a bread menu. So I'm going to scroll right down to the bottom where we get to add a new menu here, breads. And the subtitle will be with dinner because they're not available with breakfast. I just create that menu and you'll notice that the page reloads and I have this new menu called breads. Now I don't want it at the bottom under desserts, that doesn't make sense. So I'm going to drag it, just drag the whole menu to whatever position I want on the page. Now I'm going to edit the first of my breads. So I'm just copying and pasting this data from elsewhere, and I'm going into this create a new item section. And I'm putting in the price and create. I'll do the same thing again. So just copying and pasting, or you can type straight in there if you like. So now I have two items in my breads menu, and the breads menu should be at the top above dinner. So if I go to my menu, refresh the page, there we go, we've got breads, marinated olives and bruschetta, then dinner, and so on. Now in Firefox, if you go to print this whole page, you actually get page breaks inserted between each menu. So that menu runs over 2 pages, but each other menu is then broken onto a separate page, which is very convenient for your printing. Incidentally, the format, the spacing, the font is all customizable. I can set that up for you. That's the print dialog. Now I can hide this breads menu, or let's say this dinner menu is the winter dinner menu. Come summer, I don't have to delete it, in which case I would have to re-enter it next winter. All I do is press hide and press update. So now if I go to the menu, you'll find that that dinner menu is missing, and presumably we'd replace it with the summer dinner menu. And that's just a nice little feature so you don't have to redo your work every year or every season or for whatever reason. You can also minimize each menu if you find that the page is just getting too long and you want to work just on one. So you can minimize your menus and get an overview like that. If you're entering lots of items at one time and you don't want the page to reload between each item, just click this button here which says don't reload after adding a new item, and that'll leave the page open for you so that it doesn't unmaximize these sections. That's it. Enjoy.